Welcome to my channel English and Hebrew with Val. We are going to learn actions vocabulary and watch grammar story of present continuous tense. Hello, I'm your new teacher, Val. Today we are going to learn action vocabulary. Look at the examples. Watch TV. Sleep. Tidy the room. Eat an ice cream. Pick flowers. Drink milk. Listen to music. Fly a kite. Go to school. Ride a bike. Fish. Let's call and talk to my student, Max. Hi, Max, this is your teacher, Val. I'm calling to ask you some questions.
Hi, Teacher Val, I'm ready.
What is your mum doing?
I don't know. I'll go to her room to find out. Val, shh. She is sleeping.
Okay, Max, what is your sister doing?
I think my sister Anne is tidying her room. I will check this information. Oh my God, Val. She isn't tidying her room. She's playing with her doll.
Is your brother Nick watching TV?
I don't know. I think he is going to school. I will check.
Val, do you want to know what my brother Nick is doing? He is watching TV and listening to music.
Max, what are your grandma and grandpa doing?
Val, I don't know. They are outside. I'll go to check.
Oh my God, they are dancing. It's funny.
Okay, Max, what are you doing?
I'm doing my homework. I'm practicing present continuous tense.
How?
I'm speaking to you